It's been a jam-packed conference. We've had 3 speakers on the stage throughout the duration of today. We've had 5 workshops going on. And really what we've tried to do as well is make sure that the speakers and the workshops all feed into the theme of the conference, which is Sustainable Futures for All.
Our aim today is to explore solutions to achieve a sustainable and competitive skills system for Wales. And I'm sure no one here today underestimates the challenges we will face in achieving this ambition.
We know that there is life-changing work happening around the country. Through excellent training being delivered and opportunities being provided by some of our most forward-thinking businesses, I believe we're giving young people a shot at a future or dream that they might otherwise not have realised.
It has been indeed, has always been a privilege to be so associated with NTfW over the last decade or so, and to watch and admire and witness the amazing transformation that as an organisation we have gone through. As well, alongside this transformation, of course, has come a real voice, commanding respect among ministers, officials, in policy making, in shaping policy and defending as best we can the budgets.
We're at a very important point in the work-based learning calendar. There's new contracts on the horizon. It's important for us to understand what the new ideas, what the current thrust of thought is in relation to skills and training in our area. And today is an opportunity for us to find out exactly from the policy makers and from the decision makers there, exactly where our future lies really.
What really interests me, and I guess the message I was here today to talk about, is the way that sustainable employment and sustainable communities sit on top of having a sustainable environment. For me, there's a huge opportunity to rethink the way that we're delivering post-16 education through things like apprenticeships. Get literate about this and then really think about, if you could not fail, what would you set out to deliver for the apprentices who are going to build the economy of the future? And if you get it right, it'll be the most exciting time that the economy's ever had. If you get it wrong, then you need to be living on a different planet. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr.
Today I've been asked to talk about regionalisation, and I've interpreted that in terms of the new city regions that have been set up in Wales.
You know, there's a lot of evidence out there now that city regions are the real economic drivers for regional growth across the globe, really.
One of the things about apprentices is that it's being supported at the moment by public funding, for example. We know that's being cut. And I think a city region approach, which is an amalgamation of both the private sector and the public sector, has far more opportunity to engage with the private sector and thereby get that co-investment that's so vital.
I've been extremely impressed by today. I think there's been a consistency of what's been said by different speakers. What's impressed me most is that not just the speakers have been saying similar things and addressing the same themes, but the audience are clearly on message and are willing to be a part of the solutions that have been outlined.
I thought the day was really good. It's the 4th time I've attended the event. The venue's really good. I've really enjoyed the day. The workshops are very, very informative.
From the feedback I've spoken to conference delegates as they've left today, it's been a fantastically well-received conference. With these things, they're months and months in the planning, and it's I feel like a crescendo of all that sort of effort really, from the whole team really. And I think generally the conference has been a fantastic success, and we look forward to 2015, and that work starts tomorrow.